Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix could not delete conversation problem when you try to open the message option in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue when you are trying to open the messages on your Android, then I will show you how to fix this issue. As you can see, the message in my screen, you have to just long press on that, then click on app info, scroll down. Here you will find storage and cache. Tap on that. Once you have to tap on clear cache. After that, go back. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm, then go back, open the Play Store, tap on the search, then type here Google Messages. Tap on the search, tap on this update option. After completion of this, just close this window. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix could not delete conservation problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.